In this video, we're going to be talking about how to enroll in KeyBank online banking. So let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, what you want to do is simply go ahead and download and install the KeyBank application. And once you've done that, all you need to do is on this screen where you're going to be welcomed, click on the Enroll and More tab. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on Enroll in online banking. And once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on My Personal Account or My Business Account, and then click on Next and enter your SSN and your personal TIN number. You can also go ahead and enter your ATM or debit card number right over here, enter your email address, and they'll send you a verification code right into your email or your phone number. And once they've sent that, you can simply go ahead and enter the verification code back into the application. And once you go ahead and enter that, you can simply go ahead and create your user. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.